My name is Ali Casper. Today I'll show you what's for dinner. I'll see you in a little bit, but before I do that, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment if you like my cooking for dinner. And don't forget to press the notification bell so you'll get notified in my next video. My family and friends, next is what I will cook for dinner. My family and friends, pork steak using the air fryer. So very easy. The ingredients are pork steak. You're gonna wash it good, and then need to pat it dry. Just like that. And then let's put garlic salt. Usually I marinate the steak, but this time I'll try to make it very easy because it's almost time to eat dinner, and so we'll do it quick. Okay, you're gonna let it dry a little bit. It's good to be a little bit wet also, so the salt and the seasoning, whatever you're gonna put, will stick to the pork. So next we're gonna load this into the air fryer. Okay, my friends, I load the steak into the basket, and then let's insert into the air fryer. So I'll put meat, turn it on first, sorry. Meat, set for 350 degrees for 15 minutes. 15 minutes, and then after 15 minutes, you can check it and then turn the other side. I'll see you in a little bit. My family and friends, here is the pork steak. I put papaya salad with the carrots and orange, red. If you have green peppers, you can put green peppers also. And then we have boiled broccoli, or steamed broccoli. And then of course it will not be complete if there is no rice. So here's our dinner, and then I get the cold cream to dip our cool vegetable cream or vegetable dip for our broccoli. Just dip it like that and eat it, and then you can have this and a glass of wine. Happy tummy! Cheers, everyone! If you like this, please give me a like, and don't forget to hit that bell button so the next video you get notified. And my friends, my name is Ali Casper. Here's our dinner tonight.